Tyron is a popular... Ano to? Bakit parang internet galing? Known comedic videos on. He often plays multiple characters and sketches, bringing a unique, humorous twist in every situations 12. Bakit may situations 12? With over 9 million followers on TikTok 1. He has become well-loved figure in the online community. Tangina, nakita mo ba? Narinig mo yun, Warren? Well-loved figure. Ano to, wiki? May wiki ako. I never Google myself. Ay, ginugoogle naman, pero may wiki. Sa wiki yan? What? Nasa Wikipedia ako. Hindi ko alam, promise. Bro, this is not Wikipedia. Wikitubia. Legit ba a YouTube fandom? Wikipedia pa rin ba to? Ay, na ba't ito talaga yung picture ginagamit sa akin? Ano bang meron sa picture na to? Hindi man lang yung duling or what? Gusto ko kasi yung mukhang tanga. Ay, what do you mean hindi kita? Ay, sorry. Ay, ano, ba't ito talaga yung ginagamit na picture? Ang ini. Matino ba yan? Bakit parang tanga ako niyan? Ay, gusto ko yung mukhang tanga, yung duling, yung sana all, yung mga nagwawaki face. Ay, hindi man ito yun. Iba man, oh. He also posts gameplays and vlogs featuring peculiar comedy and his eccentric persona. What the fuck is eccentric? Of a person of their behavior unconventional and slightly strange. Oh, okay. Gagi strange personality. Let's fucking go. There is nothing much about Tyron's personal life. Let's fucking go. That is born in General Santos. Gago, Twitter? They got information on my Twitter? Tyron joined April 13, 2011 and started posting. Ito, nasa Buday pa ako nito. Which compilation became his most popular videos. He also had his own YouTube series, Dark Side. Dark Side made it? The fuck? The Dark Side made it? Damn. The cult following of this fucking series, bro. What the fuck? What the hell? That cringe-ass series acting, homemade series, action, dark armpits, dark shirt, white shirt versus white shirt, gold, silver play button for episode, ended out of nowhere without context series made it? What the fuck? Pati ito sila, malamang naghintay ito sa episode 5. Pati sila, naghintay lang episode 5 kasi pinicture talaga nila o naka-bold pa. Tang ina. Parang Tyrone Darkside. Boo! Gawin mo na! In June 4, 2021, Tyrone began work making vlogs that involve skits and crush. What's crush? Lacking sensitivity. Lacking sensitivity, refinement, or intelligence. Let's fucking go! Yes! Yes! Ang galing ng gumawa nito, kuwang-kuha niya. Tang ini. Legit, yun yung gusto ko. Tang inang word na to. Fuck. Binugo, yeah. Tuwang-to. Siyempre, meron na ako mga words na magamit to ano ba, kung paano ko explain, ano ba yung sense of humor mo, Tyron? O, di ba? It's sarcastic, satire, it's crass. Oh, di ba? What a word, bro, crass. Damn! I'm so happy with this word, bro. Unconventional humor, let's fucking go. Tyron recently started posting short videos and music videos. Damn! Kaibigan! Bakit kaibigan? Uy, walang bakit. Walang bakit. The research is not epic enough. The research is... Kaibigan, anong nasa isip mo? Oh, ano? What the fuck, bro? The research is on point. Uy! Pati yung oy! Damn! Look at that! Shit! Uy! Pati sana all. Ay, ito, one time ko lang to ginamit. Let's clean the keyboard. Bro, who is doing this research, bro? His height is 5'9", tang. Kulang pa ng 1 inch, tang. As his persona, Tyron Minecraft. YouTube as YouTube. Tangina, ang galing talaga, oh. Nagets niya. UGs and YouTube. Post Spider-Man as Batman. Often Walt works. Bro, the research is on point. What the fuck? Whenever Tyron portrays a female character in his skits, he typically wears a cloth or towel for her. The fuck? Who are you? Sino ka? Tangini mo! This hair, bro! Fuck clothing. Shit, sino to? Somebody's fucking with me. Tyron was featured in Lelet's channel, where Lele's real-life appearance was jokingly revealed to be Tyron himself. Yeah. Tyron usually features milk in his TikTok video. Tyron have beard in his old videos. Bro, this motherfucker, bro. Anong kulay ng... Gago, who is the researcher, bro? Damn. Sino nag-research? Gago. Damn, he's doing his job, bro. Pero ginawa ko lang tong YouTube ko 2011 para mang bash. Hindi pa ako nag-create ng content niyan. Scheduled, unscheduled, active. Full name! Oy, mali ang full name. Mali ang full name. Yun lang. Mali ang full name. That's not my full freaking name. That's not the full name, bro. That's not the full name. Philippine. Ay, sige. Pilipino, pwede. First video. Source! Tang ina. Tyron Cross. Disappointed ako sa full name, tang ini. Pero grabe, so far, on point ba? Ito yung pag-explain niya. Dito, kagi. Kung paano ko gusto i-explain ang content ko, ito talaga. Tang ini. Bro. Tsaka ito yung, uy. Damn, bro. So, feels weird at the same time, pero tang ina funny. Yung, yung hindi mo kilala, parang ganun ka niya kilala. Feels weird. Kind of funny but weird. Kala ko nasa wiki na ako, ganun na ako ka-big deal sa wiki. Wala pa pala ako sa wiki. Ito pa, what's passes? Ngayon ko lang nalaman tong passes. Okay. Social media content creator, renowned, humorous, and engaging videos. He initially created his YouTube channel 2011. Started actively posting 2015. Ability to portray multiple characters. Okay. Rise to fame with a knack for creating. Tang inang yan. Knack means an acquire or natural skill at performing a task. Damn! I'm a natural, bro. With a knack for creating relatable and entertaining content, Tyron quickly became a beloved figure in the TikTok platform. Love. Narinig nyo yun? Beloved. I'm beloved. Fuck. Damn. 9 million testaments to his widespread popularity. Tang-ini, nasa Twitch lang ako ngayon. Popularity! 90 viewers! Popularity, tang-inang yan. One of Tyron's standout moments came when he released TikTok where he cleverly edited himself flying on a broom. Uy! Which has seen a 8 million, capturing the imaginations of viewers globally. Damn. Alam niyo ba tong context nito? Flying on a broom? Alam niyo ba to? Meron lang akong random fact na i-share sa inyo about this flying on a broom. Hindi pa ako nito, parang staple na name. May beard pa ako nito. Ito yung dahilan kung ba't ako nasali sa TikTok Rewind 2020 ata. Yes, may TikTok Rewind 2020, guys. Hindi lang siya ganun kasikat. Pero ako yung nag-represent sa Philippines. Philippines #1! Tapos ito yung content. Flying on a broom, bro. Damn. Random facts. Just random facts. She often shares a glimpse of his followers, family life through his... Bro, why would I share, bro? Mentioning his mom. Once lang to, yung first TikTok ko lang to with my mom, bro. Personal touches add relatable layer to his online person. What? Gusto nyo lang talaga makita yung family ko, endearing him further to his audience. There's no way I'm gonna share personal relationships, bro. I'm sorry. That's it? Saan niya nakuha yun? Saan niya nakuha? Hindi man yun yung kinapi-paste niya sa comment. Tangina, nasa oso ako bilo. Tyron Tiaga, Gangsta Rap, Beep Info, Osu. Gago. Bro. Being googled is crazy, man. Ayoko i-google sarili ko. Tangina, baka lumabas yung bold ko.